Day 35.
Fond du Lac, Wisconsin to Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Only 57 miles today.
And you know what? It actually did feel like a rest day.
Well, not completely a rest day, but a great break after doing 90 and 100-mile days. So many days in a row.
And we didn't really have any significant climbing today. Nice, smooth, relatively level to rolling hills. Really ideal. The temperature again was once again ideal. It's unbelievable. We've been on this trip across America from Oregon to Wisconsin, and there has not been one day of rain.
Yeah, we're like truly blessed. It's like perfect, you know? And we even had a tailwind today, which is really nice.
Yeah, it was good.
So once again today I got to ride with some of the big boys for at least half the day. It was a lot of fun. Got to go really fast for a lot of the day.
Yeah, one of the big boys wasn't a boy.
Oh, I guess Cindy's not a big boy.
No, but I think Bud and Daka and who else was with that crowd?
No, that was it. Bud, Daka, and me. It's fun.
Yeah, it's pretty speedy guys, averaging around 20.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, at least.
Well, I was bringing up the rear, but hey, we all got to Manitowoc anyhow.
Yeah, Manitowoc was nice. There was supposedly the best old-time ice cream shop in America there.
It might have been the universe.
Okay.
Beersteins.
Yeah, it was really good.
I had a really good Sunday.
I had a really good brownie Sunday thing.
Yeah, we made it to the motel in plenty of time, and everybody's getting primed for the wedding of one of our staff members, Jeff. So
yeah, he's getting married tomorrow. It's really exciting.
Well, exciting for him.
Yeah.
For me, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and you know, good for Jeff and his bride.
Yeah, it's really great. Well,
hey, we're off to the ferry tomorrow. See you then.
Bye-bye.